clearance deal. Yes, we got some more clearance. Run to the stores for these clearance deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, after the holidays clearance, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's left that they're lowering the prices. This was not so much. This was actually expensive at $2.99. We seen this for around $180, even as low as $99. We've seen that in some other years. We got this framing nailer. This one's down to $199 from $279. The frame, another nailer. This is a brand nailer, 18 gauge, $79. Then we have another one that's from Makita for $159, down from $239. It's a 3.5 inch framing nailer. And yes, this is the clearance section. One of the clearance sections that they have. They actually have this at the front of the stores. This is on clearance. I don't know if they're going to lower it down, but right now it's $99. And then they have that 30 piece. I believe that's around $10. For that 30 piece, I'm pretty sure they're going to drop that in price if they're going to have some left over. And they have this one down to $12.88. It's a drywall saw, a jab saw from DeWalt. And they got the drill bit set there, red helix from Milwaukee, $19.97, down from $29.97. And they got these filters for $19.88 according to what it says on this side. But if you guys look at to the top, you guys are gonna see it drops down to $14.88. And then next to it, you got the $39.97 for the hose set. That is like the accessory set for the newer Milwaukee vacuum, the newer 6-gallon vacuum. That's it right there. And then they got this accessory. I think it went up in price. It wasn't. I think this one was free with the purchase of a vacuum, but this one went down. So this one went down to $199. I don't know if you can still get the buy one give one free. Probably not. But yeah, it dropped down to $199. And then you got these. Yeah, guys, if you guys are planning on buying these, make sure you guys wait for a sale because these prices are crazy. Make sure you guys wait for the buy one get one free, and $79 for the adhesive gun, and then you have $49 for these tools. Any of these tools. $79 for the drill, and then you got the battery and charger for $69. It's a dual port battery, and $79 for the drill driver that I just mentioned. And then they got this one for $199. I believe one other store that I went to, they had buy one of those and get a two pack of batteries for free. And you got the miter saws. That's the Joby miter saws. You got the table saw. There's a 10-inch for $189. And then you got a 4-tool combo kit for $159, was $199. That's it right there. Pretty much a homeowner's grade. It's not gonna be, if you do heavy DIY, I will stay away from this. Only light duty DIY. These are brush tools. Keep that in mind if you want. Guys, clearance, guys. These are on clearance. Run to the stores. If you like a circular saw and a 6 amp hour high output battery, $199, guys. From $299, it dropped down to $199. It's only at the stores. It's not online. You have to put your boots on. You have to walk into the stores. The internet's not going to do it for you. So you do have to walk. I didn't believe it when I saw it. So big shout out to Deal Team 6. They've been killing it with those deals. They did posted this. I didn't believe I was going to see it, but I did see it. Unfortunately, I already have too many. I already have a Makita saw. I already have a Milwaukee saw. So I don't think I need a third one for the. I don't have 3 hands. I only have 2 hands. So I don't think I need a third one. I would like to have that battery though. That's a 6 amp hour battery. This is our solid nailers, guys. I do have this nailer. I have the older style, the older version of this. It's solid. Even for pros, guys, if you guys are doing indoors cabinetry and baseboard and all that stuff, fine woodworking. Those are must-have nailers. The finished nailer and the brad nailer, I really like those. Yes, guys, they're moving everything out. Those are holiday deals. Everything's getting moved out. They're gonna put some new stuff in. I don't know if it's gonna be OPE, but he told me that they're gonna have all these are $99, guys, from $179 They dropped down to $99 to the detailed sander kit. And then you got the oscillating tool for $129. These are really, really good deals. And they do include the newer battery. I believe that's the newer high output battery. They still have a couple of the sanders left. The oscillating tools are already sold out. So yeah. But like I said, they're going to be putting 2 Ryobis, a Milwaukee, and Makita, and a DeWalt. Alright, so 129 was 149. And then, yeah, they still got these for $99. These are the drill drivers Atomics. They do still have some impact drivers. Everything's getting moved out back into the power tool section. You got the event start date. This is the 9th. It's starting. So they're moving everything out and they're moving new stuff in. And these are still buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the saws, you get a free miter saw stand. And if you guys return that miter saw stand, you guys get that saw for cheap, like really cheap. So that's a pretty good deal. Even if you guys keep it $179 for free, that's pretty good. This is the battery operated one. I do apologize for the frame. I couldn't get the clearer frame. That was the clearest. And then they got the OPE. So this is the some of this stuff is gonna be on the front. I believe last year they had it on the front. I don't know. They had some pressure washers and all that stuff. But yeah, check out this box. This box is kind of like beat up. So you can take that box and get yourself some nice discount. These are new, guys. I never seen these before. Let us know if you guys seen these before, if you have them. It's pretty much like a pruner, like a little yeah, pruner tool. That's what it is. So 129 is the DeWalt's. A gas auger. This one's $3.99. 52cc, a little bigger engine on that one. Then you got some clearance here. You got a Weed Whacker 40, and then you got a chainsaw. So this is $154 for the chainsaw kits. Was $219, and then that Weed Whacker's $140. All right, so it's $140 down from $199. I do apologize for the frame. I couldn't get a better picture. You got this one for $703. It's a blade for the trimmers. So if you guys want to have a heavy duty brush cutter, basically that's what it is. You got this high torque impact wrench, 100 foot-pounds or 800 foot-pounds. It is $160 down from $169. I'm pretty sure that's gonna drop. You got the dust extractor for the SDS Max rotary hammers. This one's $69. They do have plenty of these. They got the mister, some misting kit here for $31, was $124. This is actually a pretty good deal, especially here for the summer. You got a screwdriver with the attachment. A driveway screwdriver for $90 was $179. You got a rotary tool kit, $60 was $119. And they got a cat sander, 36 was $44.97. So these are our Ryobi. This is a Ryobi section. You got a table saw, $2.99. That's an 8 1/4 table saw. $89 for the mechanics tool sets. That's it right there, 38s. And then I saw this Bosch doable miter saw, $659. I don't know if they're gonna. A lot of you are reporting that you guys are seeing this on clearance. I don't know. A lot of you are getting this like really cheap. So I would definitely look around your store, see if you see any of these items for cheaper. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.